Hi folks, so welcome back. So we've been asked to evaluate this problem right here. So let's do it. Again, if you look at this problem, we have two things multiplying. We have x and it's being multiplied by e to the power 5x plus 2. The first thing which should come into your mind is integration by part. And so we will write our formula down, which is u times v minus the integral of v du. So this is our general formula for integration by parts. We then go ahead to assign our u and v. We assign our u and v in the way that we know we're going to differentiate our u, so we make sure whatever we assign u to be, we'll be able to differentiate, and whatever we assign the v to, we'll be able to integrate. I know I can easily differentiate this guy, and it makes it simpler, and I know I can easily integrate this guy, and it doesn't make it more complicated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my u be equal to x. Du is equal to dx. I will let me adjust this guy. I will let my dv be equal to e to the 5x plus 2 dx. So my v will be equal to the same function because it's an a function, and I'll divide it by the differential of the exponent, which is in this case 5. So as the formula says, we multiply u by v, and we subtract the differential of v du. So we multiply our v by our u. We have x multiplied by e to the 5x plus 2 divided by 5 minus the integral of v, which is this guy, multiplied by du. So we have e to the 5x plus 2 divided by 5 multiplied by du, which is in this case equal to dx. Alright, so as we know, we can factor out numbers through our integral sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor out the 1 over 5 right here out of our integral sign. So we repeat our step, x e to the 5x plus 2 divided by 5 minus 1 over 5 of your integral right there. Then you have e to the 5x plus 2 dx. So now we should know that this part of the problem is solved because it doesn't have an integral sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on this side where it has the integral sign and integrate it. So I'm going to bring this guy right here, and I'm going to leave my 1 over 5 here. I'm going to come back for it. Anytime you do that, remember you will come back for it. Do not forget about it because most students make such mistake. So we write our integral to be e 5x plus 2 dx. and this is equal to, we know how to differentiate e functions, which is e 5x plus 2. You repeat the same function, then you divide it by the differential of the exponent, which is 5. So we add our c to it. So we are done with this problem, but we have to put it back together. So we repeat our step and we substitute for this guy, right? So we repeat our step. X multiplied by e 5x plus 2 divided by 5 minus 1 over 5 multiplied by e 5x plus 2 divided by 5 plus c. So we are done with this problem, but you can choose to go ahead and simplify further. You can leave it like this, and most professors will give you full points, but some professors also want you to leave it in the simplest form. So I'll go ahead and simplify. So I will take, I know e to the 5x plus 2 divided by 5 is on both sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it up. Then I'm going to have x here minus 1 over 5 plus c. So we have solved the problem, and we have solved the problem that we were given, right? And we did it with integration by parts. We recognize that because you have two terms multiplying, and usually about 80% of the time integration by parts work. So I encourage you to work more examples, keep practicing. If you have any question, you can leave me a comment. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.